Hello and welcome back. So now we're going to go over adding in bulk keywords because we have this domain here and we only have 3 keywords in it, and before we go ahead and export a report we want to make sure that we have more keywords queued up to start the tool actually searching for how those keywords are ranking in relation to our site. So let's go ahead, how our site is ranking in relation to the keywords. Anyway, let's go ahead over to this taskbar over here and click on Add Keywords. So there's a manual input that we already did. We got that down. We're going to go ahead and click on Bulk Upload over here in the toolbar. We could also click on this link right here. And here it has a little bit of a walkthrough saying how to set up your spreadsheet. We're going to go ahead and go over that right now. To do this, we're going to go ahead and download this example, CSV. And it looks like this. So you have your keywords over here, and you have your tags over here. Now tags are optional. You don't need tags. I would even say when you're first getting started, maybe not even try to mess with them, but that's totally up to you. So right now I'm going to go ahead and delete these so I don't get tag 1, tag 2, tag 3 in my export. And for the keywords, I can go ahead and start typing in keywords. So I could say, like coffee roasters, for example. What I did to prepare is I went into the Google Adwords Keyword Planner and looked up coffee roasters, and I looked up some of them in relation to victoriacoffee.com and then downloaded these keywords. So after doing that, I popped those into my example sheet, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this to AuthorityLabs. So I went and used the tags that the Google AdWords Keyword Planner had provided for me, which was green coffee or espresso or used coffee or roasters in Seattle, and those tags, and I'm going to go ahead and use those. Let's say for espresso coffee beans, I wanted to also tag this as beans. I want to use 2 tags. Then I can just put in a comma and add in the next tag, and those will show up as 2 separate tags. So just remember that comma, it's very important. So from here I'm going to go ahead and just save this as a CSV, keep using this format. I'm going to go back into AuthorityLabs, add keywords, and I'm going to go ahead and import the CSV. It has to be in a CSV format. I'm going to go ahead and choose File. And I'm going to go ahead and add and update the keywords. Okay, cool. So you can see here that the keyword import is queued, and it even says our file name, so we can make sure that we imported the right keywords. And we can come back to this later. It's probably going to take about 30 minutes, but again, sometimes it takes up to a few hours. So I just come back and check in an hour, and it's usually up. But it depends on how many keywords you uploaded and how hard the tool has to work. One last thing, when you are uploading keywords, especially about working hard with these keywords, make sure that you don't upload more than 500 at a time. So when you're doing these CSVs, make sure that it stops at 500 keywords. You can go ahead and upload as many keywords as you want to, depending on your plan. So with your basic plan, it's 250 keywords. With the Pro plan, it's 1,000 keywords. And with Enterprise, it's 5,000 and above keywords that you can track. But make sure that when you're uploading these, even if you have an Enterprise account where you can upload 5,000 keywords, upload them in sections of 500 keywords at a time. So with that being said, go ahead and try this out on your account, upload as many keywords as you can, and start tracking those for your domain.